Did you know that the average American spends nearly 90,000 hours at work in a lifetime? Yet many are less informed about their financial decisions than they are about their favorite TV shows? In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel unpacks the surprising ways our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions shape our financial lives. Today, we'll explore not just how money works, but how we work with money. From the influence of luck in our success to the perilous allure of greed, this series will challenge you to rethink your financial beliefs and behaviors. Are you ready to discover why smart people make dumb financial choices, and how you can avoid these pitfalls to not just grow your wealth but truly enrich your life? Stay tuned as we debunk myths and drop some truth bombs about what it really takes to be wise with money. Chapter 1. Introduction to Behavioral Finance. In the world of investing, it's easy to get caught up in the numbers and charts, but what really drives the market is the human mind. Welcome to the intriguing realm of behavioral finance, where the study of psychology meets the world of money. Imagine this. You're about to make an investment decision. Your logical brain tells you one thing, but your emotions are pulling you in another direction. This clash between reason and emotion is at the heart of behavioral finance. It's understanding why we often make irrational financial decisions even when we know better. Through the lens of behavioral finance, we'll unravel the mysteries behind our money behaviors and learn how to navigate them to become more successful investors. Chapter 2. Wealth versus riches. Defining success in investing. What does it mean to be truly wealthy? Is it about flaunting a luxurious lifestyle, or is it something deeper? In the world of investing, distinguishing between wealth and riches is crucial. Riches might come and go with market fluctuations, but wealth endures. Morgan Housel, in his insightful book, The Psychology of Money, delves into this distinction, emphasizing that true wealth isn't just about the size of your bank account. It's about financial security, freedom, and peace of mind. By understanding this fundamental difference, investors can redefine their goals and make decisions that align with building lasting wealth rather than just chasing temporary riches. Chapter 3. The Role of Luck and Risk. Picture this. You invest in a stock and it skyrockets, doubling or even tripling your investment in a matter of days. Was it sheer brilliance on your part, or were you just lucky? The truth is, luck plays a significant role in investing, more than many care to admit. But luck alone isn't enough. Understanding and managing risk are equally crucial. As Morgan Housel eloquently puts it, risk is what you don't see coming, and navigating it requires a blend of skill, knowledge, and humility. In this chapter, we'll explore the delicate balance between luck and risk, and how acknowledging their presence can lead to more informed and prudent investment decisions. Chapter 4. Never enough. Avoiding the pitfalls of greed. Have you ever caught yourself saying, just a little bit more, when it comes to money? Greed can be a powerful motivator, but it's also a dangerous one. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel highlights the importance of knowing when enough is enough. It's a crucial lesson in a world where the next dollar always seems within reach, yet the quest for more can lead to risky decisions and financial overreach. This chapter will explore how setting clear goals and understanding your own definition of enough can safeguard you from the pitfalls of greed, keeping your financial health intact. Chapter 5. Tails, you win. Investing isn't just about playing the averages, it's also about understanding the extremes. In this chapter, we dive into the concept of tail events, those rare but impactful moments that can make or break an investor. Housel uses compelling examples to illustrate how these outlier events have disproportionate effects on our financial lives. By learning how to position ourselves to benefit from positive tail events and shield ourselves from negative ones, we can dramatically improve our investing outcomes. It's not just about winning, it's about winning big when it counts. Chapter 6. Freedom, the ultimate financial advantage. What if the true measure of your financial success is how free you feel? This is the question Morgan Housel poses, emphasizing that financial freedom should be the ultimate goal of investing. This freedom isn't just about having wealth, it's about having control over your time and choices. In this chapter, we'll discuss strategies for achieving financial independence, which frees you from the constraints of day-to-day economic anxieties and allows you to live a life dictated by your values and desires, not your bills. Chapter 7. Man in the Car Paradox. Why do we care about the opinions of strangers? The man in the car paradox is a powerful concept from The Psychology of Money that addresses our irrational desire for external validation, especially through material wealth. Morgan Housel challenges us to question who we are trying to impress and why. This chapter explores how overcoming the need for social approval can lead to more rational financial decisions and ultimately, a happier, more authentic life. We'll look into how personal satisfaction and self-worth should come from within, not from the car we drive or the label on our clothes. Chapter 8. The Seduction of Pessimism. Pessimism sounds smart, optimism looks naive. Yet, in investing, the latter often leads to better outcomes. Housel illustrates how a bias towards negative news and forecasts can cloud judgment and lead to missed opportunities. This chapter will dissect the psychological allure of pessimism in finance and demonstrate how maintaining a balanced outlook can protect and grow your investments. Understanding why we're drawn to the negative and learning to harness an optimistic yet realistic view can be transformative for your financial strategy. Chapter 9. When you'll believe anything. Have you ever believed something about money just because it sounded right? Morgan Housel discusses how financial decisions are often influenced by narratives that seem logical but are unsupported by facts. This chapter will explore cognitive biases like confirmation bias and narrative fallacy that lead investors to make illogical choices. We'll provide strategies to critically evaluate information and make decisions based not on the most compelling story, but on solid, rational analysis. This approach helps in building a more robust financial perspective, immune to the whims of popular but potentially misleading information. Chapter 10. The Importance of Room for Error. What if things don't go as planned? Having a margin of safety, or what Morgan Housel calls room for error, is crucial in investing. This chapter highlights how unforeseen events can impact your financial decisions and why it's essential to plan for them. By integrating a margin of safety into your financial strategies, you can endure the inevitable ups and downs of the market without jeopardizing your overall financial health. We'll explore practical ways to build this buffer into your investments and financial plans, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. Chapter 11. You and me. Each investor's journey is unique, shaped by personal experiences and backgrounds. In The Psychology of Money, Housel emphasizes that personal history influences financial behavior significantly. This chapter explores how our upbringing, culture, and personal experiences shape our attitudes towards money. It's a deep dive into understanding why we think and act the way we do about finances, and how recognizing these influences can lead to better, more self-aware financial decisions. We'll also discuss how to leverage this understanding to overcome potential biases and improve your investing behavior. Chapter 12. The Reasonable Optimist. Balancing optimism with realism is a delicate art in investing. This chapter, inspired by Housel's insights, argues for a stance of reasonable optimism. Being too pessimistic can lead to missed opportunities, while excessive optimism can result in recklessness. We'll examine historical and contemporary examples to illustrate the benefits of this balanced approach and discuss how to cultivate it. By adopting reasonable optimism, you can navigate financial markets more effectively, making decisions that are hopeful yet grounded in reality. Chapter 13. Surprise. In the world of investing, surprises are inevitable. Morgan Housel uses surprise to illustrate the unpredictability inherent in financial markets. This chapter explores the importance of being adaptable and responsive to unexpected events. We'll delve into strategies for maintaining flexibility in your financial planning, allowing you to swiftly adjust to market shocks and opportunities alike. Understanding that surprises aren't just challenges, but also potential opportunities, can transform your approach to investing, enhancing both your resilience and capacity for growth. Chapter 14. Save money. One of the simplest yet most profound pieces of advice from The Psychology of Money is about the importance of saving. In this chapter, we'll discuss why saving is not just a financial tactic but a cornerstone of financial freedom. Housel advocates for viewing saving not as a deprivation but as an empowerment strategy, creating a buffer that allows you to make choices freely and invest more confidently. We'll provide actionable tips on how to incorporate saving into your daily life, making it a seamless part of your financial routine. Chapter 15. Confounding compounding. The magic of compounding is often underestimated. In the final chapter, we highlight how compounding can transform modest savings into substantial sums over time. Morgan Housel emphasizes that it's not just about investing money, it's about investing time in your money. We'll break down the concept of compounding in a straightforward manner, demonstrating how consistent, long-term investments can lead to exponential growth. This discussion will include real-life examples to illustrate the profound impact of compounding and encourage a long-term perspective in financial decisions.